Welcome to Canvas Online Discussions, Design Strategies, and Essentials. In this portion, we will be creating a discussion. From the Discussions Index page, select the dark blue button in the upper right corner for Add Discussion. From here, you can indicate a topic title. This is where you're going to name your discussion. In the text box below, you can input your discussion prompt. This text box allows full use of the rich content editor, allowing you to embed content directly into the text field along with your textual prompt, such as YouTube videos, lecture materials, images, GIFs, and more. Below the text box, you will see Post To. The default posts your discussion to all sections of your course. If you are teaching multiple CRN sections of the same course, but only want your discussion to be posted to the first one, you would select it here. Then we have all of our additional options. Allow threaded replies is useful for building interactive conversations between students as well as yourself. By selecting this option, you are allowing students to carry on a longer conversation through threaded replies with one another. Users must post before seeing replies is a useful option for ensuring your students actually do some critical thinking before posting to the discussion. We've all had those students that echo off one another in some form of the same response. Enabling this option requires each student to post first before they can see anything posted by their classmates. Enable podcast feed is temporarily disabled. However, it is worth noting that discussions in Canvas are equipped with a built-in podcasting system. Once ITS has opened this back up, we will be sure to let you know and teach you more about it. Selecting Graded allows for the discussion to be graded. Selecting this option allows for you to assign a point value to the discussion forum, or how much you want it to be worth, allows for you to choose how to display the grade within the Grade Center, allows you to assign the discussion to an assignment group if you have an assignment group, allows for you to indicate peer review, allows for you to assign the discussion to everyone in the course as a default, or select certain students if you have them working in groups, lets you indicate a due date for the assignment, and allows for you to provide adaptive release options for the discussion forum to make it available from or until a particular date and time. Your next option is to allow liking. This option allows for students and instructors to go through and like forums and replies, similar to the way we may like something on social media. Selecting this option will allow the instructor to further designate if they only want graders, or just the instructor themselves, to see the likes and to sort the postings by number of likes they have received. And then finally, we have Add to Student To Do. Selecting this option allows the instructor to provide a date by which the discussion should be completed and will then appear in the student's to-do pane. This is an ungraded discussion. If you select Graded, this option is unavailable, as anything with a due date within Canvas automatically appears in the student to do. Once you have indicated all of your options and completed your prompt, you can go ahead and select either Save or Save and Publish. Save and Publish should be selected if you're ready to make the discussion visible within the course. If you'd still like to do some tweaking, select Save. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.